So dear students, you all are welcome to this video session of subject maths, where today we are going to see the chapter number 5th, that is, does it look like the same? We have been questioned here. We are going to see the question on page number 65. In question number 4, what we have to going to do is that draw a dotted line to divide each shape into two similar mirror halves. Dear students, I am taking the scale. Here some of the figures are given that we have already discussed in this online video session. Live session in which we have discussed. Now I am sending you the video so that you can clear your queries. So students, what we have to do, we have to put a scale in the middle of the figures, and then after we have to divide it into two equal parts. Like I am putting my scale here and dividing this figure into two equal halves. Then after, in this figure, we can divide it into anyhow in two equal parts. Like I can keep the scale here also and in the middle also, so that you can get the other mirror half of this. These dotted lines are considered to be the mirror halves, so you can draw this line. The figure T would be divided like this only. In this T figure, you can keep the mirror into the middle and divide, and can see the reflection of the same into the mirror. So you can divide it like this. Then in the fourth one, this seems to be a Christmas tree figure. You can keep the scale here in the middle and divide it into two equal parts. Then after coming to the fifth number, putting the scale in the middle, you can divide it into like this, into the mirror half. In the sixth one, you can put the scale in the middle and stretch the line as you want to draw the dotted line. Seventh one, arrow would be divided like this. You can use the scale. These are very simple shapes, students. In the M shape, you can keep the scale in the middle, and then after in the star one, you can put the scale and divide it into two equal halves. Now downside, students, in the question number 5th, we have to do it like the same. But these are some of the alphabetical letters and the digits that we have to divide. So B, you can put the scale in the middle and divide and stretch the line. J should not be divided into two parts. F also. Then after in the I, you can put the scale and divide it into two equal parts. In the X1, you can put the scale in the middle and divide it into two equal parts. Okay, X you can also divide by putting the scale like this. And then after students, what you can do is that L should not be divided, and I'm putting the cross mark here. G should not be divided. H you can put it in the middle, and then after you can clearly divide it into two. And then after students, R should not be divided. W should be divided into two. Z should be divided like this, and E I can divide by putting it into the middle. Let's coming back to the letters. Alphabetical letters are finished. Now we are going to discuss the numerical digits. In the numerical one, students, 1 and 2 should not be divided. Apart from that, 7, 9, 4, 5, 6, these should not be divided. Then coming back to the 3, you can put the scale in the middle and divide like this. Then 8, you can put the scale in middle and divide like this. Then C, you can put the scale in middle like this. S, you can put the scale in middle, and K, you can put the scale and divide like this. So students, let's coming back to the next page. Very simple and a interesting question is given, that is question number 6. First you have to divide this figure into two equal parts, and then after this you have to do it in the homework. I'm showing you how you can divide it, and then you have to color it. Okay, let's put the scale in the middle like this, and then after you can divide into two equal parts. And students, make sure to fill this portion, blank portion, with different colors. So today's session, students, thank you for watching. Have a nice day to all.